In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find the 80th percentile in Excel. Whether you're a student figuring out your grade distribution, a business analyst examining sales data, or just curious about Excel's capabilities, this skill can give you powerful insights into your data. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need access to Microsoft Excel. If you don't have it installed on your computer, no worries. Microsoft offers a free online version of Microsoft 365. All you have to do is navigate to Microsoft's official page for free Office online tools. This page gives you access not only to Excel, but also Word, PowerPoint, and more, all from your web browser. Once there, you will see an option to sign in. Click on Sign In to proceed. If you don't have a Microsoft account already, you'll need to create one. It's a straightforward process that asks for your email and some personal information. Microsoft ensures your data confidentiality, so your details are secure with them. After clicking on Sign In, you'll be prompted to enter your email. Make sure to input the email associated with your Microsoft account. After entering your email, click Next to proceed. This will lead you to another page where you might have to enter your password or verify your identity. Once you're logged in, you are ready to dive into the crux of today's tutorial, finding the 80th percentile in Excel. For this demonstration, let's use an example file. There's a sample Excel file that we can use located in a shared OneDrive folder. This file contains the data for which we'll calculate the 80th percentile. Let's assume our data is in cells C2 through C5. We're going to use a specific formula to calculate the 80th percentile of this set. The formula we'll use is equal sign percentile.inc, C2, C5, 0.80. However, there's a small catch I'd like to address before we proceed. You might have noticed that in our data file, we're going to actually input 0.90 instead of 0.80. This is simply a mistake in our instructions. The correct formula to find the 80th percentile, of course, involves using 0.80 as the parameter. This is a good moment to highlight how critical it is to double check the numeric values within your formulas. Now let's explain the formula a bit. Equal sign percentile.inc is the function we're using. The inc means inclusive, and it's one of the ways Excel can calculate percentiles. It essentially considers your entire data set when calculating the percentile. Following this function, in parentheses, we list our data range C2, C5, and then the percentile we're interested in, represented as a decimal. Why use a decimal, you might ask? Excel requires the percentile value as a number between 0 and 1, hence using 0.80 to represent the 80th percentile. The formula thus checks all values in the specified range and calculates which value is at the 80th percentile. After typing this formula directly into a cell outside your data range, press Enter. Excel will then calculate and display the 80th percentile based on the data in cells C2 to C5. It's fascinating to see how a simple formula can provide such meaningful insights into your data, isn't it? And as always, remember that practice makes perfect. Try using different data ranges and percentile values to become more comfortable with this formula. Excel's versatility in handling data is vast, and understanding how to use these functions to analyze your data can be incredibly beneficial, whether in academic, personal, or professional contexts. That wraps up our tutorial on how to find the 80th percentile in Excel using Microsoft's free online version of Office. Remember, the percentile function is a powerful tool that can give you significant insights into your data distribution. Whether you're grading exams or analyzing market data, knowing how to quickly assess percentiles can give you a clearer understanding of your data's behavior. Thank you for following along with this tutorial. Keep exploring, keep analyzing, and until next time, happy excelling.